Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Buds. So let's get started. Okay, so yes, the box you can see is the white color. It's powered by AKG. It has 6 hours of playtime, clear call quality, wireless charging, and designed for comfort and stability. So let's open the box. I think we need a craft knife, so okay. First of all, you can see the charging case. Inside of the charging case are two buds, the left one and right one. You get USB-C cable to charge the buds. You get some instructions, user guide and some tips here. And a warranty card. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.